Hey guys, RAEART here. Today's lesson is how to paint an abstract bird in under 5 minutes. Well, let's get started, shall we? We have 3 colors, a blue, a green, and a white. And the brush I'm using is the Winsor & Newton Series 237. First off, we dip into the white, add a little bit of blue, kind of brush it off like this, and we start with the head. So here's the head, I'll put it up here. Draw a beak. Have that come down. Go with the wings. And there's the other wing. There you have it. Next, we fill in some of that space. Let's add a little eyeball right here. Remember, this is an abstract bird. Add a little bit of green on the tail. Remember, you want to echo out all the colors to make sure that they are flowing nicely. You got your wing there. Now we're dipping into the white. And we're just going to color inside our lines. Let's get the white. And just follow in wherever you left the blank space. Just follow it in. Don't worry if you go over top of some of your colors. You're just trying to blend them all up together. Dipping it into the white. Carry it across. Dip in some white. An eyeball. A little line work here and there. Let's put some feet on this guy. Don't be afraid to leave some areas open. We're gonna go back and do all the fine details with a marker. Let's let that dry for a minute, and then we're gonna add some marker to give it some detail. Alright folks, now that it's dry, let's add some of this crazy marker that I got over at the dollar store. Get yours today. Just a nice fine tip like that. You know, only $1. They do a good job, they're permanent. And let's add it to this bird. And action Jackson, here we go. So we're just adding black to define everything. You can have a little fun with it, little ziggy lines. Like that. They're free, it's supposed to be abstract, right? So here we go, add the beak, a little spot for the nostril, the eyeball, let's do the feet. There's your abstract 5-minute bird. Now if you want to add some details around it, why not add a alien mask? There we go. And sign it. Now you're off to the horse races. Thanks for tuning in to another RAEART How to Paint. Submit any comments you might have about what I should paint next. Teach you how to do something else in abstract form like the RAEART does. Alright, take it easy guys. Signing out till next time.